my name's Ryan. I'm joined by Renee, aka Rezza Pezza. Okay, so we got this Camp Out s'mores kit. Is there like a brand or something on there?
Yeah, like Camp Out.
I guess brand's Camp Out. Yeah. So we're gonna teach you how to make s'mores in the microwave.
So what you need in the packet, it will come with marshmallow.
Hashtag not sponsored.
Marshmallow.
We need 2 marshmallows.
Yeah. Two.
Get 2 marshmallows.
No,
You want-
we get the chocolate.
Yep, 1 little bit of chocolate. It can just
It has to be the marshmallows are powdered.
Get milk chocolate, by the way, because
If you don't get it, just get the crackers, like crackers that look like this.
you need 2
Marshmallows.
crackers like this. They are, if I can
I
find
hope graham crackers.
Graham crackers. Graham crackers.
Yeah.
So this is what you're gonna need to make your
So-
microwave s'mores. So first step is place a square of chocolate on a graham cracker and put it in the microwave. Okay, so just put a little square of chocolate on one cracker, and you want to put it in the oven for, in the microwave for 20 seconds. So. Wait. I'm showing yours. Oh. Okay, so you come over here, camera woman. So what you want to do is you want to get it like this, and you want to put it in the old microwave. Then you close the microwave, 20 seconds, and hit the old start button. Now we wait.
Happy Halloween.
4, 3, 2, 1.
So after you do that, you're gonna take it.
You want to take it out like this,
You're gonna take your next thing.
and then grab 2 marshmallows.
No, so we have a plate.
Okay, so you grab 2 marshmallows, this, and then you want to add 2 marshmallows.
And I'm putting
Just-
it like this, so.
Just try and make it fit. And then you put it in for another 10 seconds. Make sure the chocolate's still on it, so it should look like something like that. And
So I'm
then
gonna put it on Ryan's plate.
I'll just put
Stack it there.
It says put it in for another 10 seconds, but we recommend putting it in for another 20 seconds because we did 10 seconds and it wasn't that good. So just do 20 seconds.
So.
Okay.
Which one's mine? Mine's that.
Mine's that one. Oh yeah. 20 seconds, and we dance.
Can't do it.
Work out.
1.
Oh no. So if this happens, just grab a teaspoon and just kind of scoop it on. Scoop the white goopy stuff on. There you go. You can. There you go. Use the spoon.
You know this is yours.
And then no, that's mine. Mine was the further one. And then you grab your last graham cracker and you just chuck it on top
The graham.
to create
The graham cracker.
a sandwich. I'll just grab another plate.
And since I was the local one, I get to lick this.
So, enjoy. Bye.